Understanding the risks of folic acid antagonists during pregnancy. Folic acid, a vital B vitamin, plays a crucial role in the proper development of the fetus, particularly in the early stages of pregnancy. It is essential for DNA synthesis, repair, and methylation, as well as the production of red blood cells. However, certain substances known as folic acid antagonists can interfere with the absorption and utilization of this critical nutrient, potentially leading to adverse outcomes during pregnancy. This article aims to shed light on the risks associated with folic acid antagonists during pregnancy and the importance of ensuring adequate folic acid intake for expectant mothers. What are folic acid antagonists? Folic acid antagonists are compounds that inhibit the action of folic acid in the body. They can be found in certain medications, dietary components, and even environmental factors. These antagonists can block the enzymes necessary for the conversion of folic acid into its active form, thereby hindering its ability to perform essential biological functions. Common folic acid antagonists. Medications. Some medications, such as methotrexate, trimethoprim, and sulfasalazine, are known folic acid antagonists. Methotrexate, for instance, is commonly used to treat certain cancers and autoimmune diseases by inhibiting dihydrofolate reductase, an enzyme crucial for the conversion of folic acid. Trimethoprim, an antibiotic, and sulfasalazine, used for inflammatory bowel disease, also interfere with folic acid metabolism. Dietary factors. Certain foods and drinks, including alcohol and some processed foods, can act as folic acid antagonists. Excessive alcohol consumption can impair the absorption and utilization of folic acid, leading to deficiencies that are particularly harmful during pregnancy. Environmental factors. Exposure to certain environmental toxins and pollutants can also interfere with folic acid metabolism. These include heavy metals such as lead and cadmium, which can disrupt the body's ability to utilize folic acid effectively. Risks associated with folic acid antagonists during pregnancy. The presence of folic acid antagonists during pregnancy can have serious implications for both the mother and the developing fetus. Adequate folic acid levels are essential for the formation of the neural tube, which later develops into the brain and spinal cord. Insufficient folic acid due to the action of antagonists can lead to neural tube defects, NTDs, such as spina bifida and anencephaly. These conditions can cause severe disability or even be fatal for the newborn. Furthermore, folic acid deficiency during pregnancy has been linked to other complications, including preterm birth, low birth weight, and preeclampsia. It can also increase the risk of developmental delays and cognitive impairments in the child. Preventing folic acid deficiency during pregnancy. To mitigate the risks posed by folic acid antagonists, it is crucial for pregnant women to ensure adequate intake of folic acid. This can be achieved through dietary sources rich in folate, such as leafy green vegetables, legumes, nuts, and fortified cereals. Additionally, healthcare providers often recommend folic acid supplements to meet the increased demands of pregnancy. Women who are taking medications known to be folic acid antagonists should consult their healthcare providers to discuss potential alternatives or additional supplementation to counteract the antagonistic effects. Regular prenatal checkups and blood tests can help monitor folic acid levels and ensure they remain within the optimal range. Conclusion. Folic acid is indispensable for a healthy pregnancy, and the presence of folic acid antagonists can pose significant risks to both the mother and the fetus. Understanding the sources and effects of these antagonists is crucial for preventing folic acid deficiency and ensuring proper fetal development. By maintaining a balanced diet, avoiding known antagonists, and following medical advice, expectant mothers can help safeguard their health and the health of their unborn child. To learn more about essential nutrients and their impact on pregnancy, we invite you to watch more videos like this in the associated playlist or the recommended video in the description of the video you just watched.